there's a missionary component of what we're doing. We're teaching them something that they didn't know was possible, which was, how do you measure surface energy and out in the wild, airstrips and hanging upside down or curved surfaces or headlamps or whatever. And we can do that. And that hasn't been possible before. And we can generate a number that isn't as subjective as dyne.
Right.
And then that data can become something that can connect programs, products, plants, production lines. So it makes that, much, much more valuable to unlock, cost reductions, quality improvements, improving sustainability. But, every customer situation, especially family-owned businesses, there's a lot riding on it, and they want that help. There's a way to help them, but we have to be able to be a partner in that conversation.
Yeah, and data becomes the common language, hopefully through that, and where you're working with very high-tech applications now in our customer base, there's anywhere along the manufacturing spectrum, we can have high-tech applications to people making tops of swell bottles, but the need is still the same, and the ability to measure cleanliness objectively, and then you get all the attendant results. So fewer rework, better quality, less cost. And you and I have talked about this as I think about our company at 174 years old, and what hesitating to use the word vision is. My vision is to help our customers use less chemistry, and it's counterintuitive because that's what we do. We sell chemicals, we get paid on volume. But I think about what it means to be an evergreen business, a goal of getting it on to generation number 7, and this notion, and we talked about this in many different ways, that you've got to leave behind a world that's better than what you did. So when people are making that airplane engine, they're using chemistry they don't want to use. No one wants to use it. They have to. So I think then we have an obligation, or my company does, to say, okay, we're going to help you use less. We're going to make your process better. We're going to give you data. You're going to use less chemistry. You're going to use less waste. And then if that permeates through the whole supply chain process, then we've done a good thing.